Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Zoom V3 and connecting your microphone and headphones. Do this now so signal path is established. Once done, set drive and level to 0 to prevent immediate clipping and choose a neutral preset as your baseline. Make sure phantom power is enabled only if using a condenser mic. Also confirm USB or stereo outputs are routed to your interface if recording. These first steps guarantee predictable levels and let you hear changes clearly as you proceed to sculpt tone. Now you shape the vocal. Select the vocal model and engage the compressor to control dynamics while listening for natural movement. Then apply EQ cuts to remove muddiness and a gentle high shelf for presence. Use the A/B toggle to confirm improvement. Add reverb or delay sparingly and set pre/post send depending on whether you want effects compressed. Route outputs to mono when tracking or stereo for live playback, and check meters so that levels sit comfortably below clipping while preserving headroom. Finish by saving your tailored preset to a user slot so you can recall it instantly. Name it logically for the gig or session. For live use, engage the lock or use the foot switch to toggle effects and mute between songs, keeping transitions clean. If you encounter hiss, feedback, or intermittent audio, first recheck gain staging and cable connections, then isolate ground loops and try balanced cables. Swapping to a different mic or port often reveals the culprit quickly and gets you back on stage or in the mix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.